Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is technically Project Escape. Well, since 2 years ago, I put a set of new tires on this in the front because I was going to get ready to drive it in the winter. Well, that didn't happen. Well, to make a long story short, these are Wild Trail, and they're all terrains, and you can see the treads on those, and they are a 235, right? Yeah, 235 75 15s, and you can see they're a pretty bold tire. Now, go out here on the back side. These are Mastercraft, and these are all seasons. And you can see the tread on this, and they're pretty down there. And you can tell between the two of the difference between the two of them. And so there's a big difference in tire sizes. And this is a bad combination. I'll tell you that right now. Because when I'm going down the road in the snow, the rear one, these rears they just slide big time. So, recommendation: don't get two different size tires for the winter. In fact, I'm putting the new ones on tomorrow, so we'll have the exact right size. And again, the rear ones are 70s, front ones are 75s, which is your height. So these are a taller tire than the rear, and 235s, they're a wider tire than the 225s. Your rim size is your 15. So definitely a bad combination of tires, not to mention that the rears are already worn down, and definitely not a snow environment. Fine for rain, but definitely not for winter. Morning everyone, welcome to my vlog, and this is Project Escape. Well, I'm dropping the Escape off right now at Tom's, and he's going to go ahead and put those new all-terrain tires on. And main thing about it is the fact that there's two different size tires on here right now. And it's a bad combination, especially in the snow and ice, because on a real snowy day lately, for the first time since I've been able to drive this thing in the winter, my rear really fishtails, and it feels really light on its feet. So in this case, the front tires, which I had put on 2 years ago, thinking I was putting it back on the road in the snow, and then I was going to go ahead and put another set of tires on the rear because the other ones are really down there, was the fact that I put 235 75 15s on the front, and the rears are a Mastercraft 225 70 15. So that's the name of this particular vlog, is a bad combination. Nice thing about Tom's is he's right next door to where I work. So I got about a 1,000-yard walk. The bad thing is, it's 9 degrees out. So technically all I have to do is leave 5 minutes early and drop the car off. There's somebody snowblowed the driveway right on the sidewalk. Man. It's only 2nd of January. And I can't wait for this stuff to be gone. Oy, oy, oy. Jesus. Yeah, it'll be good to get the matching tires put on it. It'll be stable. I did notice that my steering wheel is off a little bit, so if it changes when I get the new tires on it, let's see. But most likely I'm gonna get it aligned. It was that way even before I put the new strut back on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next Project Escape. Ooh, it's cold out here.